Hi guys, I've just helped the boys starting to film anyway, a video, so they're out there doing that. I've just come in to finish packing my bag to go to our nana's because that's where we're going tonight. So yeah, that's what's happening. Which is what I need. They're filming right now and I need to go out and check their cameras, but I can do that in a minute. Wrong way! Don't put my clothes in the bin. Yeah.
Ooh, that's almost done.
I'm going to put some moisturiser on and then I'm just going to do my hair, but not now.
Right, they're coming up soon. There's two over there on your left, up on the other side. They're big compared to the other ones.
That one has a hole in his head. It's fast as well.
They won't come out tonight, I don't know.
No, there's one, there's two over there.
Yeah, they're the bigger ones.
They're a lot bigger than the other one.
Hello.
He has a crooked tail, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's got a crooked body, it's not a tail, is it?
No.
That yellow one.
It's quite cool.
I like the yellow one. Yeah, the yellow one.
I've touched the yellow one.
Oh yeah, his body's like...
It's a bit weird, isn't it? I don't think they're going to come out then, Dad.
Give it a minute.
Wait, mind up then.
You've got to keep still.
It's like fishing, you've got to be patient.
Is that one that... Oh, I see one. Look how small it is.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, down there.
Yeah, that's one. Oh, he's away from home.
What do you mean?
Well,
That's the same.
he's over there.
Oh.
He's
Hello.
going up, Granddad.
Mm.
That little
Hello.
kids, they're going up.
He's so small. How's he not been eaten?
He won't be eating that side.
Day.
Too short, Mama. There's one.
Ben, we got to catch that pidgey.
Gonna catch him up.
Trying to take off. Oh, it's three now.
Oh, hello.
Pigeon.
There were three little
One of them
pigeons sitting in a row.
Pigeon. They want to pick you up. They don't want to leave. So one of
About 3 pigeons to get a pidgey.
They might have done.
He's scared of us. What are you doing?
Vlogging.
What are you doing?
He has to vlog every day, so do I.
You can make Jake if you like.
Someone, no hiding. Hello.
They're hiding. Can we go down the
Wait,
stairs?
hold on.
I want to go down the stairs.
No, I'm not hooking anyone out of the river.
Where are we going?
Down the stairs.
They're not stairs.
Oh.
We're going
To try and get there. Is it nice water?
Ben, don't be an idiot because they're not full. They're not going stairs.
Yeah. They are. Them ones are. There's stairs right
They are. They are.
Can we try and get to them?
What's your YouTube name?
Summer Star 1, 2, 3, 4.
You said that so quickly. Wait, say it. Ready?
Summer Star 1, 2, 3, 4.
Go subscribe. Oh, you can't see us. Oh wait, is that just my glasses? That was stupid. That was
YouTube.
Ben. You know I've got glasses on.
Video.
You know I've got glasses on.
How many subscribers? None.
You know I've got,
Subscribe to
you know I've got glasses on. I thought you couldn't see us properly, but it's because I got glasses on. Oh wait, maybe it's not. We were with everybody.
We're dolphins. I'm standing here. Boom. There, metal.
I already got one. I can see you in it. Everything can have you. Are you recording? It is, isn't it?
Oh my god. See? Here's the gap.
Oh, you can get in there.
What is it?
Yeah, that's where a lot of the old drunks hang out, so I shouldn't go in there because they're probably peed in there and all sorts. That's where the young lads get and have a crafty beer away from their mums.
Yeah.
And they probably pee in there and do everything else in there as well.
It sounded like that voice. Wait, I want to go stand on the bridge and shout and film.
You can
Come back.
Yeah, go to the bridge and come back.
Wave on the bridge, Jarno.
No, we do Titanic on the bridge. Hello. Wait, Titanic. No, there's fish down there. See, there's something.
I'm coming up there. Pony!
Pass me through
Look at the other side.
Algae?
Look at this.
Look
That
at this
side's not
side,
that nice.
And then look at that side.
Yeah, this side's nice.
Look at this algae. I used to ride a horse.
I've ridden them at Imogen's. That's still not a lot.
Put them in there.
These.
There's, you know, next to our house,
Yeah.
you know there's a, like, that...
Come on, Sam, you're gonna make it!
Stand back, stand back! It's gonna be loud!
Ben, get off there! You can't go on there straight away! I've got it!
Stand. That means you've got to keep out of the way. Now you'll see how much notice you have.
And that means there's not a train coming.
How much notice do you think you have?
That kids mean that there's not a train coming.
You
So that
know
this
there's
means
a
that
train
this
coming.
means that you can go through.
See, look, you can tell how long it goes before the train comes.
You'll be able to hear it. How?
Plenty of time to get you
How
off
do you
the
know
track.
that?
That'll beep again in a minute up that last crossing what we went over. You listen?
It gives us so much notice though.
Yeah, well, that's
I
so
don't
that
think
if
it's
you're.
going very fast.
I think that's so that you can get over plenty of time, isn't it?
Do you know why they don't have one on this
You're
side
cold,
and they
son.
want to have one? So if a car's stuck
cold.
in the middle, they can go through.
You
They
cold,
should
Jake.
have plenty of time to get through.
Jake,
Can you hear it?
hello. Come on, Jake. Receive me.
Wait, Sean, I'm going to get a sick photo. Everyone
Yeah.
stand back so I don't get anyone in the photo.
Do you want me to be sick, do you?
What's the matter now?
Get a sick photo,
Jake,
Where
move!
Ben.
Oh,
So I thought I'd be sick for
It
him.
gives you so much
don't think that's what
notice.
they mean now.
I know.
Ow.
It gives you so much notice. It's kind of crazy.
No, it
Hi.
isn't. A safety.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Because if you were coming across with a small child and had a problem, or a dog, it gives you plenty of time.
Or a tractor and a trailer.
Or an old man.
I hear it.
Oh, he's only joking. No,
Oh.
get this side.
No,
Jake,
It can't
this
come
side.
through. It
Car
can't come
won't-
through.
Jake, come over here with us. Look.
This side.
It can't
The
come through
car
anyway.
won't come over because why?
They can't.
Oh, I could be a teacher, couldn't I?
Because they can't. That's very good, isn't it?
Any minute now it's going to do. They are.
They are. There's
That's the
hoop.
last crossing up the road. Any minute now, that's going to come zooming past you.
Next train.
75 miles an hour. Look at that.
That's got people on it. We
Oh, that's all gone.
Keep